Welcome to the month in a minute. Let Sentient Media fill you in on the biggest stories for March. Let's go. Researchers have discovered endangered shark DNA in pet food, as we also learned that European fisheries provide half of the Asian shark fin trade. New research has discovered microplastics in human blood for the first time, and as we now know, the biggest source of ocean plastic is from dumped fishing gear, a fact that was curiously absent from a new treaty among world leaders on plastic waste that focused instead on single-use plastics. Another new study showed that millions of tons of fish caught in poorer countries in the global south are being fed to farm salmon for consumption in wealthier ones. The UN Environment Assembly adopted a historic resolution that acknowledges good animal welfare benefits our health and our environment. As bird flu continues to rage through the U.S., there were calls for a ban on cruel culling methods, which include firefighting foam as well as ventilation shutdown. Meanwhile, animal feed shortages caused by the conflict in Ukraine may lead to even more calls, adding pressure to the European Union to accelerate the shift toward plant-based diets for food security. The FDA has approved meat from cattle that has been genetically modified to have shorter hair because they do better in warmer climates, though there's a small irony that cattle farming is one of the leading causes of warming the climate globally. But you wouldn't have guessed that looking at how the Biden administration's proposed curbs on methane gases let cattle production off the hook. See you next month.